everyone, welcome to Christy classroom. Today we are going to see about an interesting thing. So what is the interesting thing? Normally we can see papaya in what shape? In oval shape only, because papaya is that shape only. But in Coimbatore near Singanallur, one lady went to one shop. She bought one papaya, but that is not in oval shape, that is a bird shape. So it's look like a bird. Now you can see the video and see that papaya shape. Do share and subscribe to our channel to see interesting news like this. Thank you.